Hey guys, here we are with Realme latest smartphone Realme C15, so let's unbox it. So now we are going to open this by cutting this plastic packing with help of cutter the outer. Presentation of the box is good. After open this box, here we found SIM ejector pin with some paper material which is enclosed with yellow color box. You can also read all the information, but now according to time let's put it on beside. And finally our phone is here, which is properly packed with plastic case, so let's see which accessories are given with phone. And here is the USB type fast cable, which is not type C, and here the adapter which is faster for charging purpose. Now let's focus on our phone. You can see here the phone is packed, so we have to remove this. It is really strong. So let's open the phone. Here back side of phone there is one plastic label, and we are going to remove this for proper touch experience. And here you can see the display, which is LCD type protected with Gorilla Glass. To backside of the phone design is really nice. At phone's right side you can see buttons, and the other side there is location to insert the SIM cards, and here I am going to eject this port help of this ejector pin. And look here, there are 3 slots where you can use 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. And let's take view of phone beside. On top corner there is camera setup present with fingerprint. At bottom left corner there is logo of Realme. So let's open the phone and see all features of phone in setting by touch on about section, where you can see all features of phone. And here we can see device version, which is baseband, and kernel Android version 10, processor which is octa-core with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. You can see all the features in this phone. Dark mode is already given, so we have to enable it first, and here you can enable and disable the dark mode. Now let's check the camera. Here the various modes available to capture pics, and as per resolution here we check that is 1080 pixel and 720 pixel, and here there is no problem to regarding to fingerprint add sensor. So hope you like this video, so let me know your about this phone in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Friends, you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram for daily technology update. So thank you very much. See you soon in next video. Have a great day.